Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about exponential equations. This math is intended to the grade 9 students. So I have two numbers. Number 1 is mine, and then number 2 to the viewers, to those who are interested to solve this one. Please write your answer in the comment. So number 1, 5 raised to the power of 3x over 5 raised to the power of x plus 2 is equals to 625. So take note, we will recall our algebra. So this will be x, this is m, and then x, n. So take note, you can do this one, x, m minus n, or you can do 1 over x, n minus m. It depends, okay? If m is greater than n, so it should be up, and then if n is greater than m, it should be down, okay? So let us solve number 1. So number 1 seems the same base, so I can do this one as 3x minus circle brackets x plus 2 is equal to, I need to make this one the same base at the left side. So find the base. It should be 5, and then what will be the exponent? So 5 raised to the 4th is equals to 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. This will be 25 times 25. And we know that 25 times 25 is 625. So this will be 5 raised to the power of 4. Okay? Since the same base, we cross out. So this will be 3x minus, distribute, minus x minus 2 is equal to 4. So 3x minus x is 2x minus 2 is equals to 4. So 2x is equal to 4. Negative 2 transpose to the right, this will become positive 2. So 2x is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. So therefore, x is equal to, divide by 2, right? So x will be equal to 3. Now let us check if x equals to 3 is correct. So substitute x equals to 3 to the given equation. So the given equation is 5. Then I have 3 times 3. Then 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 625. So 5 raised to the 9th power, and then this will be 5 raised to the 5th power, is equal to 625. Okay, so since m is greater than n, 9 is greater than 5, so this will be 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 625. So 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, is equals to 625. As we know that 5 raised to the power of 4 is 65. Then this will be equal to 65. So therefore, x equals 3 is correct. That's all.